We guide you through how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on Android. So the first thing you need to do, you must check if WhatsApp notifications are enabled. Now, open Settings, go to Apps, select WhatsApp, tap Notifications, and make sure all notification options are turned on. Next, check your phone's Do Not Disturb mode and make sure it's enabled or disabled. If battery optimization is restricting WhatsApp, go to Settings, open Battery Settings, find WhatsApp, and set it to unrestricted so it can run properly in the background. Also, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots, go to Settings, select Notifications, and confirm the message and call notifications are enabled. If the issue continues, clear WhatsApp cache by going to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Make sure your phone has the latest WhatsApp update from the Play Store because outdated versions can cause notification problems. And finally, restart your Android device to refresh the system. After following these steps, WhatsApp notifications should appear normally again.